Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you a VPN that works with Netflix Mobile. In order to get around IP blocked, you are gonna need a VPN. A virtual private network hides the information that goes to and from your device over the internet. VPN software is installed on your devices, like your computer, tablet, or phone. It sends your information in a way that can't be read by anyone who might try to intercept it. This is called encryption. Encryption is important because, whether you know it or not, you send a lot of personal information over the internet. Whether you are searching for a VPN for Android or another phone brand, you will need to understand how to utilize it. Thankfully, smartphone VPN services are intuitive to use. I suggest using Pure VPN. So the first step you'll need to do is click the link below to download the software. Once it's done, open the app, then click Allow or Don't Allow. As for me, I'll click Allow. Then you need to click Agree and Continue. Create an account. Next is you need to register and subscribe to a Pure VPN premium plan. Then click Start Subscription. Launch the app and choose the desired nation. Here, you can see the Pure VPN interface. It's easy to use, so I recommend it. You can also see here the country or region that is suggested, so let's pick the United States. Then connect and let VPN configuration be added. We are now connected, and if you want to end the connection, you can click here. So let's open Netflix. And there you have it. You now have a lot of movies to choose from. With a Pure VPN, it's easy to watch Netflix shows in the US, Australia, Germany, Japan, Canada, France, and the UK. When you connect your device to a VPN, ISP throttling won't happen, so you won't have to wait for HD shows on Netflix to load. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, you can claim your free trial on the link below. Check out my channel for more tutorial videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a thumbs up if this worked for you guys. You can find all the links below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials.